This is how you start the week as a trader. So the first thing you need to have is a mentality. Have a mentality that you're gonna win. You're gonna win, my guys. This is how you should start. So you should also have the tools. That's Binance and RunQuilly. Yeah, Binance and RunQuilly, and all your accounts should be verified. So also you need some capital of which 200 USDTs is not bad for a startup, and you need that positive energy that this is my week and I'm gonna make something cool with trading. The other thing that we need is trading bots. So right now, kill that mentality of manual trading. That is old fashion. Right now, we are using trading bots, automated trading bots. Actually, they are AI automated bots, and they are free just in RunQuilly. I don't know elsewhere if the bots are free. I trust RunQuilly because I've made so many transactions, I've guided so many people, they've made so many transactions also, they have made so many profits, so many withdrawals. So I have a trust in it. So this is my account for tutorials, and you can see I've made just 5,000 USDTs withdrawal today, and it did go through, and these are my transactions, so many of them. So if you have time, you can scroll and pause so that you can check it very well. So my balance for today is 58,000. I had 60 something, but you know, we are human beings. We have to survive. We have to live large. We are traders and all that. So we also have copy trading, which we are starting in a few. Copy trading, I just wanted to analyze the market. And I wanted to talk about this. If you see me giving you a free copy trading, then count yourself lucky. You can see these are traders, and if you tend to copy the trade, if you copy his trade, he will need you to pay for it because it is not easy to analyze the market and know where to trade, the risk and everything. So this is business, my guys. Copy trading is business, and people are doing it great. So if you can also manage that, make sure you get something. So that's it. My copy trading is free for the first 50 to join. It's limited actually. If you are past 50, because you are taking the serious one, I won't allow, or I won't approve your request. So make sure you're very fast. You save my videos, you follow me, you text me on WhatsApp or on Telegram, so that you can be making fast. You can be getting fast information. So that's it. We start now. We are traders. It's a good week. We're gonna make it big.